Miami is a beloved tourist hotspot renowned for its sun-kissed beaches, bustling nightlife, and diverse cultural tapestry. The city boasts an array of beautiful beaches, offering visitors the perfect backdrop for relaxation and water activities. Miami's vibrant nightlife scene is a magnet for party enthusiasts, with its world-class clubs, bars, and entertainment venues. Additionally, the city's rich cultural heritage is reflected in its eclectic neighborhoods, museums, and art centers, making it a melting pot of diverse influences. Visitors can immerse themselves in the dynamic blend of Latin American, Caribbean, and American cultures that contribute to Miami's unique identity. South Beach is a quintessential Miami experience, offering visitors a vibrant fusion of sun, sea, and entertainment. It's a must-visit destination where you can indulge in sunbathing, take a refreshing dip in the crystal-clear waters, and indulge in leisurely people-watching along the iconic Ocean Drive. The bustling atmosphere, lined with Art Deco buildings and palm-fringed promenades, creates a unique and invigorating ambience. South Beach's renowned beach culture and lively energy make it a prime spot for relaxation and socializing. Visitors can soak up the sun-drenched vibe and revel in the electrifying pulse of this world-famous stretch of coastline. Immerse yourself in the timeless allure of Miami's Art Deco Historic District, where a captivating blend of history and glamour awaits. This iconic neighborhood showcases a stunning array of pastel-colored buildings that stand as architectural marvels from the Art Deco era. The district is also home to a collection of boutique hotels exuding vintage charm, as well as trendy restaurants and bars that infuse the area with a vibrant dining and nightlife scene. Strolling along the picturesque streets allows visitors to appreciate the meticulous preservation of this uniquely stylish and culturally significant part of Miami's history. A journey to Little Havana offers a captivating immersion into the heart of Cuban culture right in the heart of Miami. This vibrant neighborhood is a cultural haven where visitors can savor the flavors of authentic Cuban cuisine, from classic dishes to aromatic coffee. The pulsating rhythms of live music and dance performances infuse the air with a lively energy, inviting all to join in the celebration. Exploring Little Havana also presents the opportunity to delve into the area's rich heritage, with insights into its Cuban roots, traditions, and history. It's an enriching experience, allowing visitors to embrace the warmth and spirit of this dynamic cultural enclave. Downtown Miami beckons with a wealth of cultural treasures, inviting exploration and discovery. The Perez Art Museum stands as a bastion of artistic expression, showcasing a diverse collection of contemporary works and immersive exhibitions. Adjacent to it, the Frost Science Museum captivates visitors with its interactive exhibits and engaging scientific showcases, making learning an exciting adventure. Meanwhile, the bustling Bayside Marketplace offers an eclectic mix of shopping, dining, and entertainment amid stunning waterfront views. The confluence of these cultural landmarks creates a vibrant tapestry of art, science, and leisure, presenting visitors with an enriching and dynamic downtown experience. Embark on a captivating boat tour of Biscayne Bay to witness Miami's allure from a breathtaking new perspective. As you glide along the glistening waters, the city's majestic skyline unfolds before you, showcasing its architectural splendor and iconic landmarks. The tour provides a glimpse into the opulent lifestyles of the rich and famous, as you pass by the luxurious celebrity homes nestled along the bay. Additionally, the bay is adorned with picturesque islands that exude serenity and natural beauty, creating a tranquil escape from the bustling urban landscape. This immersive experience offers a truly remarkable way to appreciate the enchanting landscapes that define Miami's coastal charm.